Looking forward to your first stitches? The Alfa Next 20 Plus spring is suitable for all types of fabrics. It is a robust and stable machine with 2 metal spool holders, metal presser foot holder, shuttle and metal bobbin case. It has 10 stitch types, for step automatic buttonhole, lock stitch offset to the right, overcasting elastic lingerie, blind stitch with overcasting, left blind stitch, right blind stitch, decorative stitch and wave scallop stitch. It includes upper thread tension regulator to adapt the seam to each fabric, automatic bobbin winder, double presser foot height for thick fabrics, and free arm for tubular garments. It also has a white LED light to keep your eyes safe. 6 rows of feed dogs for easy movement of the fabric, and reverse stitch for bar tacking stitches. Get the most out of your Next 20 Plus spring.